Hey everybody, welcome back. This is a quick overview of the 3M Headlight Restoration kit. The kit includes sanding discs, drill attachment, 2 packets of clear coat, and some tape. It has a 2-year UV protection. This was an alternative to actually buying new headlight enclosures. I was thinking of replacing the headlights, however I decided to go this route instead. This is not a sponsored video, but I just thought it'd be interesting just to kind of go through it real quick. It's not a how-to either. This is just super quick, beginning to end. Here, as you can see, this headlight is actually sanded already. The one on the other side, if we can get to it, is not sanded. So as you can see, this one's actually not sanded yet. So this is the original cloudiness and everything. The camera doesn't really do it justice as to how nasty it looks, I guess you could say. But the sanded one, you can see it once you start sanding it, it gets even cloudier. But if you follow the instructions, just like here, this is what the finished product might look like. Just take your time with it. As you can see, that's with 1 packet of clear coat, and you can see it makes a huge difference already, just with 1 pack of clear coat. Make sure you also use lint-free towels or lint-free anything you can get to try and get that as clean as possible. You don't want any lint getting on the finished product. As you can see, it does make a huge improvement just visually. Over here you can see now this is with the second layer of clear coat. The paint on the car does look atrocious, but don't worry, we're just focused on the headlights, at least for now. And as you can see, visually it looks amazing. I did try them off camera at night, and the lights do go out a lot further. It does make a really huge impact. Like I said, I was thinking originally about replacing them, but I think this route for now would be perfect. I don't see any issues with it. Here is the before and after. This one kind of where you can see more or less how cloudy it looks, and then the after photo right there, right below.